Hello everybody, I'm Miguel from Apple Chevy Redline. Here today we have a 2018 Toyota Camry LE. It's a one owner, very clean vehicle, only 16,000 miles on it. Do a little walk around, nice aluminum wheels, new tires, no scratches in the body, no imperfections. This is a great first-time vehicle for a kid that is in school or is looking for his first car. Toyotas are extremely reliable, hold their value. Let's take a look on the inside. Power seat for the driver, lumbar support, backrest, just slide it back and forth. Auto lights, traction control, open the trunk, gas cap, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, touchscreen radio. The radio is also Bluetooth, and like I said earlier, only 16,000 miles on it. Hands-free link calling, cruise control, front end collision alert, lane change alert. This vehicle is pretty loaded. This is one more view of the nice looking Camry. If you know anybody looking for it, or if you may be interested, come out to Apple Chevy Redline, located in Redline 3220 Cape Horn Road. Thank you.